Okay, you guys made me laugh. Hey guys, this is Tonya Lawrence with my fabulous boss chicks that I have here with me. We just wrapped up another one of our wonderful sessions that we're having to flatten the curve right now. People around the world, over 16 million people in the US alone have filed for unemployment since this pandemic. We now have put together an opportunity for people all over to come and hear from women who are in the network marketing field, who are dynamic, who are leaders, who are bosses, that they can come and hear from their companies in a non-threatening environment. Nobody's trying to get you, right? We just want to share information. We just all have hearts of being servant leaders. And this is something that's really important to us. So this platform is to have you come on out, spend some time with some fabulous chicks, learn something new, learn with other people who are learning. And I really am so excited about everything that's happened, the lives that have been blessed and changed already. The interest from people were saying, you know what, I spoke to two, I heard from about two different companies, but I need more information about both because I'm excited about both. Or I spoke to one young lady and we really connected. So if that's what it's all about here with our online network marketing bazaar. And a gentleman earlier said, network marketing people have this connotation that, oh, I don't want to do that. I don't want to be a part of network marketing. But guess what? You're a part of it already. Every time you join Facebook, every time you join WhatsApp or any other new product or service, they ask you for access to your contacts, right? They get access to your contacts. They want to make sure you guys get connected. And then they go out and make a ton of money off of your contacts. They don't pay you anything. This is your opportunity to have contacts. Give them a product or a service that's going to help them in their life. All of these ladies have products and services that help people. So now you can use your contacts, help them save money, help them in some other way, financially, spiritually, physically in their lives, and now you get paid. So this is your Facebook, your Uber, your Amazon moment, but now you're getting paid to be a part of it. I'm going to let the other ladies share just a few words about what they love so much about this bazaar that we've been having, and we encourage you and invite you to come with us on our next journey. You'll be able to see flyers and different things, but register as soon as possible and bring 3 boss chicks with you because lives are changing and they're changing now. So ladies, who wants to share some more about their experience with the Boss Chick Bazaars?
I'll go ahead and go. Go ahead, Kanina. Go ahead.
I'll start sharing with the Boss Chick Bazaar, guys. It has been a great opportunity to meet people that are looking for us. Folks are looking for us. We're actually changing lives. And with things that are going on right now in our country, as Tonya mentioned, with folks being unemployed, listen, we have the platform to help you be able to earn additional income and sustain an extra income coming in your home. So I look forward to hopefully seeing you on our call and learning more information about what the 3 boss chicks or 6 boss chicks have to offer you.
Hi, everyone. My name is Shelley Weems, and I'm out of the Hanover, Maryland area. And I echo the sentiments of all the women that have just spoken. This has been a phenomenal opportunity for you to come and hear about potential opportunities that you can consider to make an additional stream of income. And the beauty of it all is you have the control. You come, you listen, you decide what fits your personality, what you feel what may be helpful, but more importantly, it's an opportunity for you to pay it forward, to say, hey, if you're looking for something, if you need a plan B, because many of us have been caught with this financial situation because of the virus, a lot of people don't have plan Bs in place. You know what? Be a blessing to someone, pay it forward, share it with, as Tanya said, 3 or 4 other boss chicks, boss dudes, whoever you feel is in need. You know what? Pay it forward and we'll be happy to share with them. So make sure that you look out for our next event and become involved in our awesome networking bazaar.
Fantastic. Miss Marcia, you have any words you want to share? You're muted, hon.
Absolutely. This is Marcia Harris from Waldorf, Maryland area, and I am looking for the online business owner who, or the business owner who wants to have a presence online. And I just wanted to share with you that we're doing something that's never been done before. You will never find this type of platform, and it's just amazing.
Fantastic. Well, there you heard it from 3 additional boss chicks. We're looking for boss chicks and boss dudes who want to have a change and seize this opportunity. The last recession between 2008 and 2010, multi-billion-dollar companies were started. This is your time to create your legacy wealth. No more of worrying about what's going to happen with the recession. Create a residual stream of income. Create security for your family. Create legacy income. Do it with some boss chicks. Thank you so much, and we'll see you at our next bazaar.